Hello everyone, this video is about installing packages that we are going to use in our course, image processing and feature engineering for computer vision using Python. And instead of installing Python and packages separately, no, we are going to, we are going to use SciPy, maybe NumPy, computer vision library, OpenCV. So instead of like installing Python standalone and after that installing each package alone, no, we are going to use Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda is a distribution of Python for scientific computing, and the most of these packages available without installing them and facing problems while installing them after installing Python. So first we are going to install, we download Anaconda distribution. So let's start. Okay, and we are going to download Anaconda version 64-bit actually, Windows platform. If you are using 32-bit graphical 32-bit operating system, so you have to download 32-bit distribution. So we are waiting now to to download these packages. So we are going to pause. After we downloading Anaconda, now we are going to install it. So we have to click on from download window in Chrome, or you can visit the folders that you downloaded Anaconda to and install it, like open the executable file. So yeah, this is the window. We are going to install Anaconda now, and we will proceed. Next, agree. Okay, just me. It's you as a user. Okay. Okay, I guess there's nothing about installation to explain, except check this. Add Anaconda 3 to my path. Yeah, I will do that. Not recommended. Instead, open with the Windows Start menu and select. Okay. Okay, so we can check or uncheck this. Or I guess he said it's not recommended. Okay, so let's follow his rules actually. After an installation process ended, so we are going to check out working with Python Jupyter Notebook is free with PyCharm Pro, designed to be used with Anaconda. And have a visit at your. Okay, he now recommend you to download PyCharm and buy license for professional. Okay, not community edition, professional edition. And he telling you it will be yeah, super cool and super good if you're using PyCharm IDE with Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda distribution. Anaconda and the tutorial get installed with Anaconda. So if you want to open this, so I prefer to not open them. Okay, so just finish. Well, we check now Jupyter Notebook, and because we are going to work with Jupyter Notebook, okay, but we want to check too Anaconda package. So let's check it them. Let's check them. So it's okay. Where is Anaconda? At first, we will use Anaconda prompt. Okay, so Anaconda prompt. Jupyter Notebook. Here we are, Jupyter Notebook. Let's let's start and create notebook as an example to check our installation of Anaconda using a few commands of Python. We will call this like intro. We are going to print few numbers, like we'll use a Python as a calculator maybe, so 1 plus 2 and execute them will give us 3. Maybe 10 over 2 will give us 5. Okay, so and it's evaluate directly into float, because any number divided by a number, it will be a float as a result. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2, it will be 4. Okay, so let's use floor division. It's like divide a number by a number over a number, but instead of that we are going to take the floor of the number. So as an example, 10 over 3, okay, sorry, 10 floor division, okay, over 3. Can you see the difference? Like above we got a fraction, but here in the floor division we got a number. So it's like we just make an approximation. Instead of write 3 point fraction 3, we just take the right part, not the fraction. Okay, so it's like it's easy, like we just make an approximation to get integer but not float. And I guess that's all about checking the installation of our distribution. And later on we are going to like prepare our environment and that we are going to work with.